Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to generate 5 free AI artworks daily using this StarryAI on your iPhone. If you love AI art but don't want to pay, here's how to get 5 free high quality generations every single day. First of all, go to the App Store, search StarryAI and install it. Sign up with your Google, Apple or email. This automatically gives you free credits. Now, creative how to create your first artwork. Tap the create button and then start with the photo, or you can also start with the prompt and type what you want, like of after you type in your prompt, you can choose your AI style, like art, photo, fantasy, anime, etc. Let's say you want a 90s cyberpunk type, and then hit generate. After your image loads, you can tap upscale to enhance quality. Use evolve to remix the design in new, and there you go, the image is ready. And tap download to save your artwork in HD or share directly to Instagram, Pinterest, or share threads. Watch short ads or share the apps with friends. Each action earns bonus credit to generate even more free art. Safety tip: don't upload personal or pop photos or faces into prompts. Starry AI stores generation into its servers for moderation. Quick fix: if you run out of credits early, wait until your daily resets time. Check under your credits tab, or use the watch ad option to earn an extra 1 to 2 free generation. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.